Okay, before I show you how to actually install the vinyl planks, I need to emphasize how and where you should position the first vinyl plank. The manufacturer instructions said to choose any corner of the room as a starting point. Now, how you square the first plank in respect to a wall will dictate how the rest of the adjoining planks will orient themselves across the entire room. And when you reach the areas where you need to cut the length and/or the width of the plank shorter to fill up the remaining space, it's going to be quick and easy because all you need are straight cuts. In contrast, if you missed properly orienting the first plank and proceeded to stick the adjoining planks, it will look more and more catastrophic as you go. The flooring and the walls will look very out of sync and visually assaulting. Not to mention the extra time and effort to cut a lot of irregular shapes to fill up the remaining floor space. Also, because you're cutting more irregular shapes than originally anticipated, there's a high chance that you'll need to buy more planks to compensate for the wastage. Okay, a perfect square or rectangular room all looks good on screen, but in reality, some rooms, like the one in this video, were not built with 90-degree corners and straight walls. So how do you place the first plank? Well, you still start from the corner and choose a wall to use as a reference point and work outwards from there. Yes, you'll probably still end up needing to cut irregular shapes towards the end, but it will be minimal. And because the planks together are oriented in respect to at least one straight wall, everything will still look cohesive. At this point, we've already covered about 40% of the floor, and the room is beginning to give off a more positive vibe. For this project, I decided to use a straight layout because it has a more modern look, simpler to install, and optimizes my planks to floor area ratio. Unlike a staggered layout, also known as an offset layout, which looks more traditional, produces more unusable planks in the end, and is a bit complicated to install. As you can see, once you stick the planks onto the parquet tiles, they're not coming off easily unless you intentionally use force to peel them off, which is good in case you need to correct a mistake. Now, this is what one whole vinyl plank looks like, and underneath is the adhesive side protected by this paper liner. The arrows that you see indicates the direction of the grain or pattern on the opposite side. This helps you position all the planks in one direction to make everything look cohesive. In this case, I've made all these planks to point towards the side of the door.